Hi, it's Mike here again from Sussex Caravan Centre, and today we're just going to have a quick guide on how to use the Thetford K1520 Dual Fuel oven. This particular oven comes with a single electric hot plate which works off the mains, 3 gas hob rings which obviously work off your gas supply, as does the grill and the oven. It's quite important to make sure your gas is turned on before obviously trying to use this, and you are plugged into mains if you want to use the electric hot plate, otherwise nothing's going to work. Okay, so first we're going to talk about how to set your hob up to get that lit. The hob lid has a device inside it, a micro switch basically that acts as a flame failure device. So if we start rocking it around the midway position, you can hear it click hopefully. That's the micro switch being activated. So if the hob lid's down and you try and light the system, it won't work. So you need to make sure that's fully open. Hopefully when you're using yours you can hear that click. Then we try and light a hob. For this instance we're going to go bottom left, turn it to so the gas is on, and then hold the dial in. You'll hear the gas start to run, and then you need to use the igniter. You hold it in for a couple of seconds just to make sure it's well lit. Take your hand off and then you can adjust it to your desired gas level. Okay, I'm just going to move on to the grill quickly and how to light that. Very similar really, obviously with the grill, open the door fully. You've got 2 symbols here for the grill and the oven. Obviously one's showing that we're using the top unit, one's showing the bottom unit. Same lighting procedure really. Turn the dial, push it in so you can hear the gas. Hold the igniter down till it lights, leave it a couple of seconds, take your hand off. The grill is directly controlled by the knob. We're going to move on to the oven in a minute and explain why that's not. So if you want to turn it down all the way till you hit the stop. If you want more flame, obviously turn it all the way up again until you hit the stop there, and then turn it off, return it back to the top position. Okay, so hopefully you can see the flame okay there. What we're doing in the background, we are adjusting the dial on the oven up and down, but as you can see the flame itself isn't becoming larger or smaller. The reason being, this is thermostatically controlled, so it's trying to reach a certain temperature. So once we've lit the oven like we have now, that flame will be on full until it reaches the temperature, and then it will back off to maintain that. So it's not directly controlled like it is with the grill.